Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Klarna at Costco. First of all, head to the klarna.com and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Make sure your payment method is set up and ready. Once you are logged in, search for Costco. In the Klarna search bar, Costco may not be listed as a direct partner, so we will use Klarna's one-time card feature as a workaround. In Klarna, select the one-time card option and set the spending limit to the amount you plan to use and Costco Klarna will generate a virtual card number which can be used like a credit or debit card for online purchases. Head to the costco.com and add items to your card and proceed to checkout. When prompted for payout, enter the one-time card details from Klarna, and that's it. Thanks for watching.